Color has gone from the pencil's body. It was an accident, but he is so angry. Now that he took away Dad's color, we must work it out together. What color is right for you? Can a ladybug or a butterfly help you? No, 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 it's no use.
Wow!
Let's try your son's color, and yes, purple is back now. Color has gone from the pencil's body. It was an accident, but he is so angry. Now that he took away Mom's color, we must work it out together. What color is right for you? Can a brown donut or the other help you? No, 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 it's no use. Let's try this donut, and yes, the red is the best. Color has gone from the pencil's body. It was an accident, but he is so angry. Now that he took away baby's color, we must work it out together. What color is right for you? Let's choose from these crayons to paint on you. No, 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 it's no use. Let's try this green crayon, and yes, green is the best. Color has gone from the pencil's body. It was an accident, but he is so angry. Now that he took away squirrel's color, we must work it out together. Now we've got the pencil. We will draw